Okay guys, welcome to FAC2602, where we'll be consolidating selected accounting standards and simple group structures. I think this is our first time in your accounting degree to consolidate. So it's a bit of a challenge, but it's not that difficult once you understand the concept in the consolidation. And how to eliminate and so forth. There's a lot of things to remember, but it's not that difficult. Okay, it's easy to pass this module because it's just addition. It's just you adding because you are putting two companies. You're compiling financial statements of two companies to just make them one. That's consolidation, you know. So in this module, probably we're going to have not more than 7 videos, but you're just going to, in each and every video, be addressing a topic. So we're going to also like have one topic, probably three videos, like consolidation, statement of profit or loss, consolidation, changes in equity, consolidation, financial position, each and every journal. So after this introduction video, we're going to start with the consolidation statement of profit or loss, statement of profit or loss. Then from the statement of profit or loss, we're gonna go to consolidated statement of changes in equity. Okay, then after our consolidated statement of changes in equity, we're going to do consolidated statement of financial position. Okay, what is consolidation and how do we come up with consolidation? Okay, in this module, a company will purchase another company, right? And that company that purchases another company is what we call a parent. The company that is being purchased by another company is what we call a subsidiary. Okay, we're going also to determine at what point do we say this is a subsidiary, right? What criteria do we use for us to say this is a subsidiary, right? Ordinary shares or preference shares, right? We will also are looking into those when we're doing our consolidated statement of profit or loss, because that's the first thing that we're going to start with. Okay, so a company who purchases another company, then that company now belongs to this parent. The subsidiary now belongs to the parent. So now we need to prepare financial statements, knowing that this company also belongs to this company. So the subsidiary will prepare its financial statements, the parent will prepare its financial statements, then at the end they are combined together. If there is any transactions between these companies that are entered into at a profit or at a loss, that's what we call elimination. Those transactions needs to be eliminated. Okay, who get into detail as we go through into the next videos. Okay. Then after consolidation statement of financial position, we're gonna have what is known as consolidation statement of profit or loss. Again, consolidated statement of profit or loss, but this is acquisition during the year. This is acquisition, sorry, this is number 4. This is acquisition during the year. This is acquisition during the year. So in other words, this company purchased another company and took control of that other company during this current year. So it only owned that company for a partly year, you know. So we need to say, okay, how do we consolidate it? How do we prepare our consolidation in such instances? Okay, then our number 5, we're going to do journals. Okay, journals, we use our journals to eliminate. Right, we know how we use our journals, the general journal, right? We use our general journal to eliminate, to cater for transactions, all those things. So we need to also there's just a video that is only going to focus only on the journals. Now, because if you go to the exam, the first topic, the first question, it will be the journals. So you need to understand the journals. Then after the journals, we're going to go to cash flows. Cash flows, we have direct, we have indirect, right? Then we have investing and financing activities. Here we are just preparing cash flow statements of a company. These are not consolidation cash flows. Consolidation cash flows, you're gonna see them in FAC2602 and FAC2602. Okay, this is just a cash flow statement for a company. Please take note that this is not consolidated consolidated statement of cash flow. Okay, then I think that will be our this is our whole syllabus. But in each and every video, we're going to look on the previous exam question to see, okay, what was asked in that question. So you see that here in question number 1, probably these were journals for 17 marks. The last one, you see that this is a cash flow. Then consolidate statement of group statements and consolidation number 2. Anything can be expected from there. Probably statement of profit or loss, consolidated changes in equity, consolidated financial position, or even all of them in one question. They can say prepare consolidated statement of profit or loss, consolidated changes in equity, consolidated financial position, all of them at once. So you really need to know and to understand, okay, when they say I should do this, when they say I should do this, how do I do it? Consolidated changes, consolidated profit or loss, acquisition during the year. This one, out of the 7 topics that I've listed here, this is the one that is a bit challenging. So we're going to spend more time on that one, or more emphasis. Our energy are going to be channeled more on consolidated profit or loss, acquisition during the acquisition during the year. Okay, so this will be our whole syllabus. So probably we're going to have 7 videos, and in these 7 videos we're going to address each and every topic, and also check from the previous question papers to see, okay, which topic was asked and we answered that question. When we answer that question, you also see, okay, how do we eliminate, how do we prepare a consolidated statement of, okay, it's not really difficult. You just need to pay more attention to this module. Okay guys, thank you. I will see you in the consolidated statement of statement of profit or loss in our first video. Thank you.